Welcome to Integrated Electronics. Today we are showcasing Samtec flexible stacking systems. Let's look at their one-piece interfaces, SEI FSI06 SIB. These compact modules are designed to maintain high signal integrity. Samtec offers a wide range of these multi-position board-to-board interfaces, FSIS, SIB, SIBF, and SEI. For multi-layered designs, the Flex Stack series provides ultimate versatility, from low-profile to highly elevated pass-through configurations, with pitches ranging from 0.8 to 2.54 millimeters and up to 6 rows of contacts. Samtec delivers the flexibility to build your system your way.